In chapters 11 and 12 of Dune, Frank Herbert delves deeper into the complexities and dangers that the Atreides family faces upon their arrival on Arrakis, the desert planet also known as Dune. The narrative unfolds with Duke Leto Atreides reflecting on the assassination attempt against his son, Paul, and contemplating the perilous situation his family is in due to the political intrigue and environmental challenges of Arrakis. Chapter 11 Summary. The chapter opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, suggesting Duke Leto's possible awareness of the intensified dangers on Arrakis and his potential sacrifice for his son's future. Duke Leto, overseeing Arrakis, the city that is now the Atreides stronghold, is depicted as fatigued and deeply concerned for his family's safety. He converses with Gurney Halleck, a loyal aide-de-camp, about the necessity of securing support amongst the spice workers and preparing for the inevitable confrontation with the planet's previous rulers, the Harkonnens. Leto instructs Gurney to assist Thufir Hawat, the family's mentat, in bolstering their defenses and to persuade some spice workers to stay, sensing that securing the allegiance of the local population will be crucial for their survival on Arrakis. He ominously predicts significant bloodshed in the struggle to control the planet. Chapter 12 Summary. The tension escalates when Thufir Hawat, feeling responsible for the lapse in security that led to the assassination attempt on Paul, offers his resignation. Duke Leto, with Paul's encouragement, refuses to accept it, emphasizing the value of Hawat's training in saving Paul's life. During a subsequent council meeting attended by Leto's advisors and Paul, various strategic points are discussed, including the Fremen's allegiance to a mysterious figure named Liet, the Harkonnens profiteering from spice extraction, and the disrepair of spice mining equipment left by the Harkonnens. Duncan Idaho then introduces a Fremen leader, Stilgar, who brings news of an impending attack by Harkonnen mercenaries disguised as Fremen. The introduction of Stilgar and the ceremonial exchange involving spitting, a gesture of respect due to the scarcity of water, signify the delicate cultural negotiations the Atreides must navigate. Duke Leto's acceptance of Fremen customs earns Stilgar's respect, highlighting Leto's ability to adapt and potentially secure Fremen alliances. However, Leto's contemplation of seizing abandoned imperial bases to consolidate power worries his council due to the risk of alienating the Fremen and the Emperor. Chapters 11 and 12 explore themes of leadership, sacrifice, and cultural diplomacy. Duke Leto's leadership is tested as he navigates the treacherous political and environmental landscape of Arrakis. His determination to secure a better future for Paul and his willingness to embrace Fremen customs demonstrate his adaptability and foresight. The assassination attempt on Paul and the subsequent developments underscore the precarious position of the Atreides family amidst the complex web of alliances and enmities on Arrakis. The introduction of Stilgar and the portrayal of Fremen customs provide a deeper understanding of the indigenous population's values and their pivotal role in the narrative. The concept of water as a precious commodity serves as a powerful symbol of life and respect on the desert planet, further enriched subscribers. Was this video helpful to you? If so, please let us know by smashing the subscribe button so we can hit our goal of reaching our first 1,000 subscribers. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Please check out our channel for the full book summary playlist and many more amazing book summary videos.